Here we are writing a Python program declaring a variable name with some value so the name is of string type. Age is of integer form. And the contribution is of fractional format, so working with a floating point value. Now displaying these all. Done. Now the name is coming here from this part, aged text as it is coming, then the age is coming, then has contributed text is coming as it is, then the contribution amount is coming. Now the name was Anya, it is coming. Aged, due to this the text is coming as it is, then the age entered over here 15, that is coming. Has contributed text is coming as it is, then the contribution amount is coming here. Thank you.